The COVID-19 vaccine has been shown to be safe and effective in clinical trials to prevent serious illness. Your local NHS team in Derbyshire has been working hard to deliver COVID-19 vaccine to patients who are most at risk of serious infection from COVID-19 in what is the biggest vaccination programme in the history of the NHS. Please don't contact the NHS to seek a vaccine, we will contact you. When it is your turn, you can expect to receive a vaccine through GP practices at designated sites, the Derby Arena Vaccination Centre, some pharmacies and some community centres. Whichever NHS vaccine service you go to in Derbyshire for your vaccination, the process is broadly the same. You can't just turn up though, you need an appointment, and please don't book an appointment with more than one vaccination service. You may be contacted by your GP practice via text message or letter allowing you to book an appointment, or your practice may call you directly to book an appointment at a GP designated site. The NHS vaccination booking service may also send you out a letter to patients who are eligible. When you receive your letter, you will be able to do this in two ways: by booking online at www.nhs.uk/COVID-vaccination or by phoning 119. Please make a note of the appointment time and date you were given. Please do not turn up more than 10 minutes before your appointment and do not bring any bags. Please wear a face covering and clothing that allows us to access your upper arm easily. Before you enter the vaccination centre, you will be screened for COVID symptoms and may be asked to isolate and order a test if you do have symptoms. Next, you'll be asked to go to the reception desk to book in. You will then be moved on to an assessment pod where you will complete your consent form. We can only give you COVID-19 vaccine with your consent. This needs to be informed so that you understand the benefits and the potential side effects of the vaccine itself. Before your appointment, you may have received an information leaflet about what to expect after you've had your vaccine, and more of these leaflets are available on site. The consent form tells you the vaccine will reduce the chances of you suffering with COVID-19. It also tells you the vaccine will not give you COVID, and that 2 doses reduces the chances of you becoming seriously ill. We'll ask you for your personal details, such as name, home address, and GP practice. If you decide you want the vaccine, we will process the online form that says you want to have the full course of the COVID vaccine. After this, you can have your vaccination. We know the first dose offers you significant protection, but it is important to get both doses done to get full protection. Then, you may be asked to take a seat and wait after your vaccine. If you feel well, you can leave. If you feel unwell, please contact a member of staff immediately who will be on hand to keep you safe. You should not drive for 15 minutes after you've had your vaccination. After your first vaccine, it is important you continue to observe government guidance to keep yourself safe from COVID-19, as it can take 10 days for the vaccine to offer some protection and reduce your risk of transmission. This means you should continue washing your hands with soap and water regularly, wearing a face covering, and keeping social distance. You should not meet with your friends and family, as there is still a risk you can contract and pass on the virus. You'll be provided with an information leaflet following your vaccination, and if you have any questions or queries, please refer to this. You still need to receive your second vaccine, and it is important that you attend your second appointment once scheduled. You will be invited for your second dose in 12 weeks at the same venue where you received your first dose, or you may have been sent a text message and had your second appointment booked before you leave.